Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it at night and in the morning. Everyone will wonder what's your secret. It's a skin whitening with natural yogurt to get milky fair skin with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy gives 100% results and you will get a proven effective remedy to get you rid of dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation. If you do have suntan or melasma, this remedy is for you. It will get you even toned skin and you will get milky fair skin naturally without any side effects, with all natural ingredients, whitening the skin tone without any kind of harsh ingredients. It's super effective to apply it every night before you sleep and you will notice a great result. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and cornstarch is super effective in closing large open pores and whitening the skin tone naturally. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, my friends. Mix the dry ingredients together very well. Now we need to add on it plain yogurt. We need to add around 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. And mix well the ingredients. We will end up with white cream paste, like you can tell. As you can tell, our magical remedy is ready. Now how to use it. At night before you sleep, apply it on your skin like that. Massage the skin with it. All you need is few drops and massage the skin with it like so. And go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice a great result, whitening the skin tone, and will get you rid of dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation, and you will get even toned skin naturally. Repeat this every night before you sleep to achieve the best result ever. Store it in a room temperature or in the fridge and use it every night before you sleep, and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. It works and it gives an amazing result. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.